Hi, and thanks for watching this quick introduction to applying for a UK trademark online. This video assumes two things. Number one, that we've ascertained that the trademark is available to apply for in the classes of goods that we will be applying it to. And also that as a result of having done that, we have created a document something like this, whereby I have looked at my potential competitors and what they've trademarked their names in. In this case, it was for a sandwich shop, so McDonald's, Subway, Benji's, etc. And I've compiled the goods that they applied their trademark to in each class. So obviously there's a lot of overlap, but for example, Benji's included prepared snacks in their lists of goods, which McDonald's did not. So in a second document, I have started to put that together, adding in the extra goods that McDonald's did not include. As far as I'm concerned, it can't hurt to have listed as many goods here as you could possibly think of. So with that done, we're ready to hop into the online application process. I'll include a link in the description. I've captured some screenshots here. So after having filled in our personal information, we are asked straight away, does the trademark you're applying for include words? And in this case it does, so we enter the word that we want to trademark in here. Now of course, at this stage we are not checking whether this trademark is available to apply for. We've already done that. So enter in our trademark there, hit continue. Next we're asked if the words that we are trademarking are included as part of a logo, or indeed if it's a type of sound, etc. Of course this is for a word, so I'll go for the top option, hit continue. Next we're asked if this is for a single trademark or a series. We'll go for single. And this is where it gets interesting. This is where we tell them what goods this trademark will apply to. So as we've done our homework, we're not going to select from a pre-approved list. We're going to go straight for select class and enter manually the goods. So we click that button, takes us to this screen, whereby we select our class from a drop-down menu, and we then cut and paste the various goods that we have listed here. That done, press continue. Takes us back to this page, and you can see that the class has been added to the trademark application. If you need to add more, simply click that button and repeat until we're done. Press continue. Do we want to add a disclaimer? Not entirely sure what that's about, but as I say there, 99% of people do not need a disclaimer, so we'll say no. Priority registration date. If we'd registered this trademark previously in America, we would answer yes to this question and add the details. As we haven't, no. The type of trademark, standard trademark. The others are fairly self-explanatory. And here we can save 30 quid if we pay for all of the fee up front. The next page is a summary of our trademark. We've got the text there, the goods, and our details, and the amount we need to pay. Continue. And finally, we declare that we're entitled to hold property, etc. Understand the terms and conditions, enter our name, and hit pay. Well, I hope that proves useful to somebody. Thanks for listening. Cheers.